Yes, it is. We're taking a live look at the Beltline at John Nolan, which shows those wet roads. The headlights are reflecting in the pavement, indicating we have those wet stretches. And even as the sun comes up here in the next half hour, yes, just keep the headlights on for the drive-in so other drivers can see you to play it safe. So we have a damp start to your Wednesday. We have mild temps across much of your forecast. But even though we stay mild, there is a chance for accumulating snow for us by the weekend. So tracking that closely in just a minute. Let's get the kids out the door, though. Temps upper 30s and low 40s. Warm enough where I'm not concerned about any slick spots out on the pavement, even though we have the fog, mist, and light rain to slow us down. Later this afternoon, we'll get back to the low 50s for the second day in a row. We'll dry off temporarily, though stay generally cloudy, with temps a little above normal for this time of year. We'll look at the visibility map now because as the light rain comes down, it's a little too fine for the radar beams to pick up, generally speaking. So anywhere you have lower visibility indicates where we have steadier and heavier mist ongoing. Look at Mineral Point. You're down to a half-mile visibility right now, 1.75 miles visibility in Montello, 2 miles for Madison, Janesville, 2.5 miles in Platteville, and 3 miles in Middleton. If you're up to 10 miles, it means you're pretty dry, but again, areas of mist likely ongoing on and off until around 11 or noon today. Here we are at 617, tracking those little spritzes of light rain. This just got going last couple of hours, and we still have a few more hours to go before it exits by around noon. We're still cloudy this afternoon, but drier. And then later this evening and tonight, 8, 9, 10 o'clock or so, we'll try to see a couple more spotty light rain showers develop. This one impacting generally areas just farther south. So talking like Lafayette, Greene, Rock, and Walworth counties. But late tonight could push a little farther north, as far north as, let's say, Dodge, Columbia, Sauk with that light precipitation. Could see a touch of light snow mixing in with some of the rain. If you get a dusting at all, it'll probably be on the rooftops and the grass. The roads should just be wet again by this time tomorrow as the pavement will still be too warm. We'll dry off heading into Thursday afternoon and stay that way into Friday. But let's talk about that next storm system that could bring us snow. Dry and still sunny by midday Friday, so you might be talking about, what weather system am I actually tracking? Getting into the weekend, Friday night into Saturday, that's when that low pressure storm system comes in. But still a lot of questions if the snow actually pans out on top of us. Here's what I'm wondering about. What's the storm's exact track? If this low is a little farther south and east, that means the snow will be farther south and east out of our area. Another question mark for us, will temps actually be cold enough for this precipitation type to be all snow, or will it be more of a rain-snow mix causing for lower impacts? If it is pure snow, though, how much actually accumulates since our ground's starting to warm? So a lot of questions still, but something to track closely before the weekend. 51 today, fog, mist, and light rain for the morning, drier but cloudy this afternoon. 33 tonight with a light rain mix impacting us late this evening and tonight, especially towards the state line. And tomorrow we'll have that light rain snow mix in the morning, mid-40s and drier in the afternoon. 7 days showing that next round of snow potentials Friday night into Saturday, temps around or above normal for most of the outlook too.